Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to play All-Star Tower Defense in Roblox for the PS4 and PS5 versions of the game. So let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to go to the search bar in the top right. Make sure you're underneath experiences and not people. Go ahead and hit All-Star, type in All-Star Tower Defense. Should pop up. Yeah, right here. The one with 21,000 people. Go ahead and log into the game. Now, once it is loading, shouldn't take too long. Yeah, you should be in the game now. If you want to be able to like choose one of the if you want to basically like X out, all you have to do is just press tab, and then yeah, you should be good to go like that. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.